colorimetric determination of inorganic phosphate concentration. First, we have to take 7 test tubes and mark them with numbers from 1 to 5. Then a test tube in which the unknown solution of inorganic phosphate is going to be placed. For example, mark it with T as test. And the last one for adjusting the zero of the photometer or for the blank solution. Now we have to prepare 5 standard solutions by making certain dilutions of the initial solution of inorganic phosphate. For example, we're going to pipette different volumes of inorganic phosphate solution. First, we're going to pipette 100 microliters to the test tube number 1. And we shall do that by using the micropipette. We're going to add 200 microliters of initial inorganic phosphate solution to the test tube number 2. Then 300 microliters of initial inorganic phosphate solution to the test tube number 3. .400 microliters to the test tube number 4. And finally 500 microliters to the test tube number 5. In the test tube T, we have 1 milliliter of the inorganic phosphate solution of the unknown concentration. Now we have to dilute this standard solution with certain amounts of water, again by using the micropipette. In order to get 1 milliliter solution in each test tube, we have to pipette 900 microliters of distilled and deionized water to the test tube number 1. Then 800 microliters to the test tube number 2. .700 microliters to the test tube number 3. .600 microliters to the test tube number 4. And 500 microliters to the test tube number 5. So these are the 5 standard solutions of inorganic phosphate of the increasing concentration. Now we have to add 1 milliliter of distilled water to our blank test tube. Now we have to perform the colored reaction. First we have to add 3 milliliters copper acetate buffer to each of those 7 test tubes. So 3 milliliters of copper acetate buffer in T test tube. As well as in blank. The second reagent we have to add is ammonium molybdate. 0.5 milliliters in each test tube. Point 0.5 milliliters ammonium molybdate to the T test tube and in blank as well. In order to complete the color reaction, we have to pipette the solution of methyl, also 0.5 milliliters, to each test tube. Test tubes should be kept at room temperature for at least 10 minutes for the blue color to develop. After 10 minutes, we should read the absorbances at 540 nanometers, following the previously explained procedure. After 10 minutes, we have to proceed to the measurement of the absorbances of standard solution and our unknown test solution. First, we have to adjust the wavelength, which is 540 nanometers or 600 nanometers, by rotating the proper wheel. Then, we have to adjust the instrument to 0 by using the blank solution. When the instrument is adjusted to 0, we can take out the blank solution from the cuvette and start measuring absorbances of standard solution, for example, standard solution number 1. And read the absorbance. Repeat the procedure with the standard solution number 2 in the same manner. And continue till the end, which means read of absorbance of our unknown or test solution.